Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. Will present the definition and function of medical instrument and hospital rooms. Next slide. This is our members. There are Ahmad Misbahul Ulum, Muhammad Afif Tegar, Alfian Nugraha Putra, Muhammad Azhari Baihaqi, Muhammad Rinaldi Pratama, Sinta Maulidia Basuki, and Nabila Amalia.
Okay. The first, the anesthesia machine. This definition, the term machine in anesthesia is traditional applied to a device that delivery oxygen and gas and or floated liquid agents. And then anesthesia equipment is defined anesthetic equipment used to the administer general anesthesia by inhalation. The third three, anesthesia machine is a piece of equipment used to administration inhalation anesthesia. Anesthesia machine, this have a function is number one, can deliver anesthesia gas with the right dose to minimum dead space. Three, relation carbon dioxide efficiency for low pressure. Five, humidity is well maintained. The six is used very easy and safe.
Number 2, there are ultrasound machine. Definition: ultrasound is a technique of displaying image of the condition of the inside of the body. This medical device uses high frequency sound waves to take pictures of the inside of the body, for example, body organs or soft tissues. Function: the first one is to find out the condition of someone's pregnancy. The second one is to diagnose various conditions that can affect the organs and soft tissues of the body. And the third one is to detect and treat injuries to soft tissues. 3. Ultrasound gel. Definition: ultrasound is an imaging tool that is usually used to diagnose various diseases and other health conditions. This tool has the ability to create sound waves that will cause an echo when shined into the body. These waves will then create an image that can be used by healthcare professionals to diagnose the patient's current disease or condition. Ultrasound is commonly known as ultrasound or sonography. Function: for examination using Doppler or ultrasound, and as a lubricant, it also makes the sound of the object being examined more clear, which is then captured by a Doppler or ultrasound.
Okay, number 4 is medical catgut. Definition: medical catgut is a tube cord made usually from sheep intestines and used especially for sutures in closing wounds. And the function is used especially for sutures in closing wounds.
Number 5, lancing device. The definition is this lancing tool or lancet pen is a shooting needle shape like a pen to take a blood sample on the hand. This function is make it easier to take blood sample that are needed in checking blood sugar, cholesterol, and uric acid level in the blood.
Number 6 is GPAP or continuous positive airway pressure, also known as alat bantu pernafasan. The definition is continuous positive airway pressure is a form of positive airway pressure ventilation in which a constant level of pressure greater than atmospheric pressure is continuously applied to the upper respiratory tract of a patient. The application of positive pressure may be intended to prevent upper airway collapse, as occurs in obstructive sleep apnea, or to reduce the work of breathing in conditions such as acute decompensated heart failure. CPAP therapy is highly effective for managing obstructive sleep apnea. The function is number 1, severe to moderate obstructive sleep apnea, upper airway resistance syndrome, preterm infants for COVID-19, and acute hypoxemic respiratory failure in children.
And the last, number 7, urine analyzer. Definition: semi-automated laboratory apparatus for perform external examination by reading and evaluating the result of test strip. Mid-ray urine analysis UA 66 can perform accurate examination of urobilinogen, bilirubin, ketones, blood, protein, nitrate, leukocyte, glucose, specific gravity, ascorbic acid, and pH, and function for accurate urine test result.
Hospital rooms. 1. Operating room. Definition: the operating room is a special unit that used to perform surgery, elective or acute, requiring sterile condition. Function: the operating room is a special unit in a hospital that functions as a place to perform surgery. Surgery is performed to maintain, restore, and improve the function of bones, skeleton, joints, and body movement.
Second is medical laboratory. Definition is a medical laboratory or clinical laboratory is a laboratory where tests are carried out on clinical specimens to obtain information about the health of a patient, to aid in diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disease. Function number 1 is to obtain information about the health of a patient, to aid in diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of disease. Number 2, to promptly provide highly reliable laboratory data to satisfy the needs of clinicians involved in medical practice and health maintenance of patients.
Okay, the 3 this issue, this is definition ICU stand for intensive care unit. ICU is a special department of hospital or health care faculty that provide intensive care medicine. And the ICU is have a function intensive care unit cater to patients with severe or life-threatening illness and injury, which the requires contains a care plus supervision from the life support equipment and medication in order to use normal bodily function. They are staffed by highly trained physicians and nurse and respiratory therapy who specialize in caring for a critical patient. ICU has more medicine tool and equipment better than a regular room. For this emergency room, the emergency room is one part of the hospital that provide the initial treatment for patients who suffer from illness and injury, which can threaten their survival. Every hospital must have an emergency room service that provide the 20-hour medical service. Prima Medical Hospital as well as a 20-hour emergency room service with several general practitioners. The 20-hour emergency room serve for case, especially in the emergency department. For patients who are classified as emergency, action will mainly be taken to save the patient life or life-saving. For the patient who classified as not acute and critical, treatment will be carried out according to needs the case of the problem. In the emergency room, you have a facilities as bed, a waiting room beside a monitor and electronic cardio. The function in emergency room, diagnosis and treating respiratory and circulatory disorder. Two, ascending a drug is a defect and operation cardiac shock device and cardiac record are ECG. Three, observation and stabilizing the patient condition, just like in the treatment room and respiratory room. The last, the from security or other emergency measure.
Number 4, pharmacy room. The definition is hospital pharmacy installation is a unit in a hospital which is a pharmacy administration facility under the leadership of a pharmacy and fulfills the legal requirement to procure, provide, and manage all aspects of the provision of healthy supply in hospital. The function is management and distribution of drugs on and healthy supply, observation of the quality of drugs and healthy supply in general, but thus in stock and thus the be distributed. The next, preparation of needs analysis, recording and reporting of supply and mutations of drugs and healthy supply. Number 6 is forensic work. Definition is a room used to assist in the investigation of a crime case. The function is the place of transit of corpses or receiving an administrative process, cleaning of body. Next, a place to put on or temporarily store the corpse before the forensic examination process. Place of examination of the body or external examination and internal examination of the next, reconstruction of body that severe physical damage. The next, simple place for sampling and forensic laboratory examination. And the last, the place where the corpse is preserved.
And the last, hospital room is a psychiatric ward. Definition, mental health facility that provide medical care and rehabilitation for people with mental disorder to improve their mental health status so that they can be accepted back into the family and community. And the function is number 1, implementing mental health service for improvement and prevention, and number 2, carry out recovery mental health service, number 3, carry out mental health rehabilitation service, number 4, carry out community mental health service, and number 5, implement a referral system or referral system. Okay, thank you for your attention. Jazakumullah khairan katsiran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.